In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing scheduled posts in the Buffer calendar. If you've opened your calendar and things look empty or incomplete, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get everything showing again quickly and reliably. First, open Buffer. Once you're in, head straight to the calendar. This is where all your scheduled content lives, and it's the best place to confirm what's planned and when it's going out. Before troubleshooting anything else, check the selected social media channel. The calendar only displays posts for the profile or page that's currently active. If you manage multiple channels, like different brands or platforms, make sure you've selected the exact one you expect to see. A simple filter mismatch is one of the most common reasons posts seem to disappear. Next, review your date range in Calendar View. Switch between month, week, or day views to widen or narrow what you're seeing, and use the arrows to move forward or backward in time. If a post is scheduled for next week or next month, it won't appear in your current view. Taking a moment to adjust these settings often brings your content right back into sight. If posts are still missing, refresh the page. A quick browser reload can clear a temporary glitch or expired session that prevents scheduled items from rendering. Give it a couple of seconds to fully reload so the calendar can repopulate. Now go to Settings. From there, click Channels. This section lists all the social accounts connected to your Buffer workspace. Find the channel where posts aren't showing and refresh the connection. Look for an option like Reconnect or Refresh Connection. Social platforms occasionally expire permissions or tokens, and this step renews that link so Buffer can pull your scheduled content correctly. If you're prompted to authorize access again, follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. When that's done, return to the calendar. Allow the page a moment to update, then confirm that your scheduled posts appear under the correct channel and within the right date range. If something still looks off, double-check you haven't switched to a different profile and that you're viewing the appropriate time period. After these steps, your scheduled posts should now display properly again inside the Buffer calendar. Keeping an eye on your selected channel, calendar view, and connection status will save you time in the future and ensure your content plan stays visible and on track.